Hey my harmonies, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Symphony, and in today's video I'm going to be reviewing some Rizos Curls products. And it's not just any products, okay? It's not just one item, two items, no. I'm going to be reviewing their whole VIP box. Once you open the box, it's just going to look like this inside. I did get a little card from them because I did receive this from them. And it gives you more information about the hair. They do sell a shampoo and conditioner and all of that stuff. They do have a rewards program, and these are all the products that you'll be receiving. Obviously I had opened everything up already in order for me to get this Rizos results. First thing I want to show you guys is this pic, and it just says Rizos Curls. You'll also receive a little sticker that says La Rizos Reina, and I'm an official La Rizos Reina, okay? An official Rizos Reina. You get the Rizos Curls Light Hold Gel, their curl defining cream, and I'll go in more detail about these products during the video. But then I had also got the Refresh and Detangle Spray. This is a newer bottle, but I did receive like 2 of these. I'm extra stocked up with the Rizos Curls. And this is like one of their newest products. So I have the Volumizing Hairspray, I have their Nourish oil, and lastly I have their diffuser attachment. And that's all you'll get in the VIP box, but like I said, I'll demonstrate everything during the video and show you guys how I got these results step by step. With that being said, let's get started with this curly hair routine and Rizos Curls hair tutorial. This is how my hair looks after I wash my hair. It's looking really nice and really clean. The curls are looking really defined. And now I'm just gonna re-wet my hair because it's been about 5 to 10 minutes since I got out of the shower and I needed to add some moisture back into my hair. So now I'm going to be taking my Refresh and Detangle Spray. It's a 2-in-1 formula. It detangles freshly washed hair and refreshes in between washes. When I spray it in my hand, I noticed that it looks like a flower when I do that, but you do have the option, of course, to spray it directly in your hair, and that's what I did in a few clips. But this does have coconut oil, shea butter, and olive oil. And those 3 ingredients are super moisturizing and beneficial for curly hair. This spray deeply hydrates and locks in moisture with reducing frizz and improving the curly hair's bounce. Now to add some definition to the curls, I'm going to be taking the curl defining cream. It defines and enhances natural hair texture to create bouncy, voluminous, frizz-free curls. This has aloe vera, coconut oil, and shea butter. And let me tell you guys, this is definitely one of my favorite products that I have from Rizos Curls. It really helps define my 3C4A curls. It really brings moisture into my hair, not only for more definition, but moisture. This style the curls without weighing them down. And let me tell you guys about the smell of these products. Like, these smell so good. They smell natural, but not too natural to where like you're gonna smell like outside. To sum it up, it pretty much has a fresh floral scent to it. But now I'm going to part my hair into smaller sections. That's gonna help you distribute the product evenly and help you not miss any areas of your hair. To add some hold into my hair, I'm going to be taking the Light Hold Gel, and this provides a long-lasting hold and shine without the flakes or crunch. And this has aloe vera, flaxseed, and thyme. This provides a flake-free, long-lasting hold, humidity-proof for all-day definition. It'll give your curls more shine and nourishes your hair. Now I'm taking this brush that I got from Amazon, and it's absolutely my favorite brush to use, or one of my favorite brushes to use, because it really helps give my curls more definition. Like, my hair really needs that. Then I'm just gonna do the same routine with the other sections of my hair. Use the curl defining cream for more definition, the Light Hold Gel for more of a hold, and use the brush for even more definition. Everything that I'm mentioning in this video will be linked down below, including the brush that I'm using, because I do have an Amazon storefront, so make sure you guys go follow me on there too. I always add some new finds and new favorites. I decided with the light hold gel that I would focus it on more of the outer parts and the bottom parts of my hair, because when I was mixing it with the curl defining cream, I noticed my curls weren't really cooperating with that really well, and I really feel like it's because my hair was like drenching wet. But if my hair was like a little bit more drier, it would have worked more better. With this part of my hair, I definitely have more of a 4A texture. I added a little bit more curl defining cream, especially with the ends of the hair. During some parts of this process, I did add some of the Refresh and Detangle spray since I was doing my hair for about like 15 minutes now, so my hair gotten a little bit more drier. I definitely love this Refresh and Detangle spray a lot. Like, first it's the curl defining cream, then the Refresh and Detangle spray. Like, they're my current top two. Then I'm just gonna part my hair into a middle part because that is my go-to curly hairstyle. And then I'm just going to take some of my Eco Gel because this has more of a stronger hold. I'm just going to apply it in the middle part of my hair and the ends and just certain areas of my hair where it can get really frizzy. With the light hold gel, I did use it to lay my edges and some of the Eco Gel too. It was like kind of mixed in. Now it's time to diffuse the curls, so I'm going to be taking my Rizos Curls diffuser attachment with my hair dryer that I got from Amazon. I have a specific and more detailed way of how I diffuse my curls, and I did a separate video on that, which I'll link down below for you guys. And I do use a different hair dryer, but I really want to test out the diffuser attachment, and honestly it works really good. But the hair dryer that I'm using in this video, it works good, but the one that I have in my diffuser tutorial works way better and it's more faster, so I'll link my whole tutorial down below. But this diffuser does work really good if you don't want to go out your way to get a whole new hair dryer. This next clip, it has been a few days, maybe about a week since I did my hair, and my curls are still looking amazing. Like, look how poppin' they are, look how defined they are, and look how tamed they are. Since my hair is fully dry and I wanted to add some more volume, I'm going to be taking Rizos Curls' new volumizing hairspray. It has an alcohol-free formula that provides volume when applied to roots and all over hold. It has red algae, argan oil, and rosemary. Now, I didn't want to add too much because my hair can get really big, but it just needed to be more fuller in certain areas, so I did go in with the pick and just pick out my hair too with the volumizing hairspray. And even without it, like, I would still pick my hair regardless if I use the spray or not. But I do really like it. It really helped give my hair more volume in certain areas. If you have the type of curly hair that needs more volume and already has enough definition, then I definitely recommend you guys getting this volumizing hairspray. Last but not least, I'm going to be taking Rizos Curls Nourish oil. It's made with 100% pure essential oils that deeply nourish your hair, scalp, and the skin. It has grapefruit oil, orange oil, carrot seed oil, and castor oil. And castor oil is known to promote hair growth, so all of these different types of oils is really gonna benefit the curls and just the hair in general. And this is gonna give your hair moisture, softness, and shine. You would want to massage this in your scalp to promote hair growth, then apply it to your ends so your ends won't be looking dry, and it'll just give your hair a lot of shine. I did apply this all over my chest and my hands because I love using oils, like they're really beneficial for the skin. And these are my beautiful Rizos results, and stay tuned towards the end of the video to know my final thoughts and opinions. I honestly love my results. I definitely like my results better than what I did last time, and it's mainly because I have this particular haircut, besides the front, because a couple months ago I got a little bit too scissor happy. But besides that, like, I really love how I did my haircut, so I really feel like it made a huge difference to my hair. And if you guys want to see how I did my haircut, I'll link that video down below. These are my Rizos results, and let me know what you guys think about these products that's in my 3C4A hair. Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to join the harmony. And of course, click that bell button to receive notifications from me every time I upload, okay? I love you guys so much, and God bless you all in Jesus' name, and I'll see you guys in my next video.